Yo, what's up everybody? It's Johnny back. We back with another video, and I'm going to be talking about trading psychology, how I overcame all of my bad habits and how I overcame psychology with trading. Because if you want me to be completely honest, the strategy and understanding where price wanted to go was never my big problem, if that makes sense. I feel like my biggest problem with my trading was always myself. And I still feel like it is myself because I'm making good money. But I always know that I can make more, and I know it's myself holding me back, right? Because it's trading. It's not like we have to pick up sales calls or we have to rely on a drop shipping product. Everything that we do is why our trading outcome is how it is. So realize if you're an unprofitable trader and you have really red days or you have green days that end up turning red or you overtrade maybe you get greedy. Maybe you don't stick to your stop loss. Whatever that is, whatever your problem is across from the screen, think about it real quick. I want you to think what your problem is and realize that that problem that you have is 1000% you. And that's why I love trading, because it's you versus you with this trading shit. This shit will turn you into a man. It'll make you the most disciplined, most confident, most patient person ever once you can master it. And that's what we're going to get into. That's what you need to master in order to master your trading and make money with trading, because that's everybody's goal, right? Everyone's goal is, we have to make money trading, and I want to turn this into my lifestyle. I'm tired of the 9-to-5 lifestyle. I'm tired of working an hour to make $15. Whatever it is, you're tired of that. Cool. You have to realize you're not profitable because of you. How long is it going to take you to realize that? How long and how many times are you going to end up messing up in order for you to know and learn? You know what I mean? Because I'm sure you went against your rules at least over 20 times this month. You might have had a really good week. You're on a roll, and then you fuck up one time. You don't stick to your stop loss, or you overtrade and you blow all the profits. Do you see how one day or one act on emotion can ruin your week, can ruin your mental, can ruin your emotions? And that is why you are unprofitable. And I'm not trying to be that guy where it's you're unprofitable and bag on you. No, I'm talking to you man to man, telling you that I am a normal kid in his bedroom, and I just overcame all of this year. By this year, I really started to understand that I was the only person in the way to my goals. It was like I'm trying to run to my goals. They're right in front of me, and it's myself just pushing me back, setting myself back by not sticking to my plan and not sticking to my rules. So if you really want to be a disciplined trader, if you really want to be that trader that you know you're going to be in the future, because realize this, I want you to deep dive into what I'm about to say and understand this. You, the profitable you in the future, right? You're going to be profitable in the future, right? Cool. So that profitable person, that profitable you in the future, do you think he would be doing the actions that you're doing right now and taking the action that you're taking right now? Do you think he would be super emotional while he's trading? Do you think the profitable you is not going to stick to his plan? Absolutely not. Because he got to where he got for a reason. He's profitable for a reason. So realize, if you ever want to get to that person that you want to be in the future, you have to act as you're already him now. Let's give an example on my whiteboard. I will travel more. I am profitable. I am this. I will get that. I am this. It's all a manifestation. So understand, the reason you will get to your goals is by acting like the person you want to be. Hopefully that makes sense, because that's what changed my trading. Once I realized that the future me, the future Johnny that's making millions of dollars from trading, because I will make millions of dollars from trading. Am I there yet? No. Will I be there? Abso-fucking-lutely. Why? Because I'm going to act like that $1 million trader right now so I can forward myself and get to that spot that I want to be at. So let's give an example. Maybe you're an overtrader. We're going to get on all the overtraders right now, because this might be you. Maybe this isn't you. Sit back and watch, because I'm going to name 3 other emotions that are very bad. Overtrading. You behind the camera. Oops, my monitor's turned off. You behind the camera. If you are an overtrader and you seem to hop on the market, you see a good trade, and it looks good. You take it, cool, you make $200. But then you sit there and you sit here and you're just sitting here staring at the monitors, and then it's all right, NQ is giving us another trade. I could pass this funded, or I could get this payout, whatever it is. And then you're all right, fuck it, this looks good too. Bang, you take that. And you lose. Now you just blew all of your profits from the winning trade. And then what happens? You get on tilt. You want to make that money back because you knew you just made that. So now you're going to be at the spot where it's like, all right, fuck it, bro. I just lost that, but it's all good. You know what I mean? I'm only down 100 now. I can make that money back that I just won. Now you take that third trade. You overtrade again. And you sit there and you're like, all right, this looks good. This looks good. I'm going to take this. Even though it doesn't align with your plans, you're just self-manipulating yourself, acting and telling yourself that it looks good. Realistically, it doesn't. You're just acting on emotion. You're acting because you're revenge trading because you want to make that money back. That's all it is. You sit there, boom, take a trade. All right, let's see. You're getting very emotional. You want to make that money back. Wham! Stop loss gets hit again. And you probably don't even stick to the stop loss. That's the funny thing. And then your account is fucked. And then you lose a lot. And then you sit there, bro, and you start tweaking. How many times are you going to do that? And I know that example resonates with you. I know at least 70% of the traders watching this have been through that. Stop doing that. How long is it going to take you to realize that that is what is holding you back? You have a void that you need to fill. That void is overtrading. You have this hole in you where it's like, I need to, in your mind, you're like, I need to get profitable. I need to get out of this life that I'm in. I need to fucking fast. I got to get there fast. I got to forward fucking, what's it called? I got to fast forward to success. That's what I meant to say. I need to fast forward. I need to speed up to where I'm profitable. Dude, when you try to speed up the process and when you try to just overtrade to make it extra buck, or, you know what I mean, you size up, you oversize, and you put too much size in there. Maybe you use like 3, 4, 5 minis now, or you use way too much size. Bro, fast forwarding your process, whatever you want to think of, you know what I mean? Whatever you're thinking of, it's only going to hurt you, man. It's only going to set you back and back and back because you're not going against your plan. You're only going against what your mind is telling you. Realize that your subconscious mind, that voice in the back of your head, is always going to tell you, oh, you can make more money on this, or oh, you should overtrade. You should try to trade this again and make your money back. You know what I mean? You're always going to have that voice, that bad voice in the back of your head, guys. It's so bad, but it's there a lot. And you're always going to have that voice, and that is your emotions talking. That is the feeling that you're having talking. You need to stop that feeling, and how you can overcome overtrading is by getting off the market. So what you're going to do, you're going to set a plan. You're going to stick to that every day. You can see on my whiteboard or on this whiteboard, it says 1 trade a day, 2 trades a day max. So what I do is I take that 1 trade. If it's a pretty good trade, cool, I'm done, off to the gym. So that's how you fill the void. You fill the void of overtrading by sitting there and saying, I'm going to get the fuck off the monitor. Boom. You turn your computer off and you dip. You fill that void of bad habits with productivity. And with filling it with productivity will lead you to getting off the charts. Now you can't overtrade. You're not even on your computer. Simple. You can't even look at the charts. You're not on your computer. And if you go on your phone, you're cooked. So at that point, it's like you fill the void with productivity. Stop overtrading. Hopefully that makes sense, and hopefully that helps all of you overtraders. You need to do that. It doesn't matter if you're down, if you're up. You should not overtrade. Take that 1 trade, that really good trade, in between 9:30 market open, New York session open, to 11. 11, I think you should stop trading after 11. At 11 a.m., if there could be a good move, just get off. You missed the setup. Don't get FOMO. Simple. Now that just led me into the next emotion. FOMO. What is this, high school? You getting FOMO because you didn't get invited to a party? What type of shit is this? FOMO. So you're telling me that you saw a setup all morning and you hesitated. You didn't take it. Let's give an example. All right, we see a fair value gap. It looks good, but you're hesitating. You don't really like it. So you don't take it. And then it runs 100%. So you're sitting there fucking jittering. You're like, oh, fuck, bro. Like, we got to take a trade, man. We got to pass this funded account, man. I got to get a payout. You tweaking. Across the screen. You are freaking off a perky, bro. Off a perky. I don't know what you're off, but you're tweaking. You're looking at the monitor like, oh, bro. Oh, fuck. I got to look at ES. I got to look at NQ now. Now we got to look at gold. Now we got to look at NVIDIA. It's like, bro, you're off a perk. Sit back, relax, chill. Give yourself a second while you're trading. Chill. Dead ass. Chill. FOMO is in your mind. Remember, all of these things are emotions. Realize, this is not like you're getting FOMO from not getting invited to a high school party, or FOMO because you missed this. This is FOMO because the stock went up, the asset went up, and you missed it. Oh fucking well. You will start progressing in your trading when you stop giving a fuck. Sorry for my language, but I'm being so serious, guys. When you stop giving a fuck, your trading will get better. I started to realize when I missed all these setups, I missed them for a reason. I missed them because I hesitated on it. Build your confidence up. Build it by taking it and keeping good risk management. Remember, experience is the biggest thing with trading. You just got to put in work every day. You got to experience all these emotions. You got to figure out what works, what doesn't work. Experience, man. Hop on the chart, just take action. You're doing better than your old self. Look at your old self and look at him. He's all the way back there, bro. You're moving up so much. You're taking action. The old you was scared to start trading, bro. Look at it and be grateful that you have the opportunity to see this. And if you hesitate on a trade and it runs, sit there and say, I am grateful for the opportunity to trade. I am not mad because I hesitated. I will personally build my confidence up and I will be better tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be another trading day, dog. Now, yes, you're right. Tomorrow's not promised. Can't look at it like that. Look at it like I'm going to wake up tomorrow very healthy, very happy. I'm going to pray to God and I'm going to go into the market with a good mindset and a good attitude and a resetted mindset. You're going to get on there. You're going to reset your mind and say, all right, this is a new day. It doesn't matter that I got FOMO and I missed this day. I'm going to come on. I'm going to look at my strategy. I'm going to look at my setup and I'm going to take action. And if I hesitate again, oh well. Continue to build that confidence up. Take it day by day, brick by brick. Simple. Day by day. And in every way, you will be better. I promise that, man. So stop getting FOMO. Stop feeling like you're missing out on stuff. You're not missing out on anything, man. The market's going to move tomorrow. Stock market ain't going to be gone tomorrow. You're okay. That's why everyone needs to get a job. You need to have some sort of outside income other than your trading. You cannot rely on trading as an unprofitable trader. I promise you, you're only going to hurt your trading more and more and more. You need to have money coming in and paying your bills while you're trading. And you need to use that money to fund your trading. If you only have a little bit of money and you're trying to use that to fund your trading or to fund your funded accounts, whatever it is, you're only going to hurt yourself because in the back of your mind, you know that you're trying to make trading your only source of income and you're trying to make that pay the bills. Realistically, you're not a fully disciplined, developed person to the point where you're not going to be able to do that. It's only going to hurt you in the moment. I promise you. So make sure you have a job. That is just a different tip in this video. I really hope this is helping you. So we already went over FOMO. We already went over, what was the first one? I honestly forget. I'm having a brain fart. Oh my God. All right, well, FOMO, the next one is going to be greed. And this is going to be the last one because I want to keep this video a bit shorter. Greed. This emotion hurt me so bad. And this might be you. Remember, like I said, sit here and listen. All of this might resonate with you. All of this might help you. Greed is probably the worst thing that you can have as a trader. And why is it the worst thing? Because you end up actually doing something right. You make money, you get greedy, and you want more, which will lead to overconfidence, overtrading. See how all these emotions align together? Each one of them makes you do each of them. You know what I mean? Like they all just go in a circle. You keep getting emotional in every aspect. So once you can just fucking take them and throw them out the window and sit there and only act on your plan, that's when your trading will get better. The reason you are greedy is because you are not grateful. You're ungrateful and you're not happy with the wins that you're taking. It's that simple. You're literally ungrateful. You have to realize, guys, if you're the type of person to get greedy and let a green trade turn red, you are very ungrateful, and that's disrespecting yourself. You have to look at it like this. This is how I overcame greed. You are ungrateful, and you're not taking what is given to you, and you're expecting more. Be grateful. Understand that God gave you a purpose in this world. God gave you a computer. He made all of this happen for you, and for you to take advantage of this trading shit and not take your profits when you're supposed to take profits, you get what's deserved, man. As simple as that. You're unprofitable for a reason. You do good every morning. You do good. You stick to your plan. You see some profits, but you say, no, I want more. I need to keep overtrading, or I need to make more profits. I need to make more. And then you get greedy and you give it all back. keep paying that market tuition, bro. You're paying college tuition, you're paying market tuition. Motherfucker, you just giving money away, bro. Just because you are not grateful. So once you can realize that $100 in 5 minutes is way better than $20 in 1 hour. Look at that. Let's just give an example. You make $20 an hour at your 9 to 5. Maybe you don't. Maybe you only make fucking 17. But let's give you the ball. Give you $20 an hour. You work your dick off, whether it's construction, freaking doing this, doing that, whether you're at a serving job, whether you're freaking working wherever you are working right now. You get paid $20 an hour. And you're excited as fuck for that. You take that 20 right away if they handed you a $20 bill. But when you enter a trade and it says up $100, especially in 5 minutes, you sit there and say, I want more. I need more. It's going to go higher, bro. It's going to go higher. No, we're going to keep going. And then it reverses, and then you're red for the day. Imagine if someone said, here is 5 $20 bills right in your face in 5 minutes of work. Imagine you sat there, you have your boss right there. You're like, all right, this trade looks good, bang. And your boss said, here's 5 20s. You're not going to take that shit right away? You're not going to snatch that out of his hand and start booking it? Because you're damn right that I would for 5 minutes. So realize that this shit is a blessing and that you're very ungrateful. And that is why you're greedy. And when I started to speak to myself like that, I realized, damn, I've actually been compounding all these small wins, and all the small wins ended up adding up. And then as I kept taking action, as I ended up journaling what works, what doesn't work, how to compound this, how to do this, my confidence, bro, started leveling up, and I just got better and better and better. And then my trading, I started to size up. I'm so confident at this point where it's like my wins just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So if you're an OG, you've seen me. I went from $200 wins to now I made $1,000 profit today in 5 minutes. Like, man, I'm blessed and I'm very grateful. So I took that profit like this and then let my runners run. Guess what? My runners didn't run. It stopped me out of break even. Cool. I was up like 1,200. Ended up trimming most of my position. Cool. Runners ended up running down to break even. Now I'm up 1,000. Very grateful for that 1,000. Instead of letting it run to 1,200, only trimming like a little bit. Oh, it's going to keep running. And then it shits the bed. Now you're only up 100. It's like, wow, you're that ungrateful you're not going to take $1,000 in 5 minutes? I promise you, if you're a greedy motherfucker with this trading shit, you will progress once you start being grateful. Once you start understanding, you would take $100 any day in 5 minutes. So stop trading your time for bullshit work like at your 9 to 5 and start being grateful that you have the opportunity to sit on this computer and make money every day. That's the end of this video. I hope this helped you out with your trading psychology. I love every one of you guys. You could join my free Discord, link in bio. Love you guys. Peace out.